name is Don Wierzinski. I am the Director of Manufacturing at Kingsbury Incorporated, Oshkosh, Wisconsin. We started our journey with the Youth Apprenticeship program 3 years ago now, and it's been a good learning opportunity not only for us but for the students as well, and has proven to be a very beneficial program for Kingsbury to be involved in.
My name is Evan Ruddy. I work here at Kingsbury Incorporated in Oshkosh. I did the Youth Apprenticeship program my senior year. I've been working here for just about a year and a half as a CNC machinist. I was working here. I started off over in the burr department, and then I went to finishing department, and then to assembly, and then kind of just worked my way up, all the way up to where I am now. I learned that if this youth apprenticeship program wouldn't have been here, I would have never found a career that I thought I would enjoy and do for the rest of my life.
I'm Cindy Intrabus, the Human Resource Manager for Kingsbury Incorporated in Oshkosh, Wisconsin. So what the students really get out of doing a youth apprenticeship is they get an opportunity to work with real professionals in the work environment. In here they get an opportunity to ask questions about what is required of the job, what kind of education they need. They develop coaching and mentoring relationships with these professionals who really help guide them and provide some sound advice as far as things that they need to do to be successful in their career.
I was able to leave an hour early from school every day to be able to come to work. I was working part-time during the school year so that I would still be able to maintain my class grades while being able to work here. And then during the summer, I was working full-time hours as a part-time employee, so I would be able to have my summer and still be able to work here.
Math is a big one for us here because we rely on our machinists to do a lot of calculations and stuff by themselves. So math is truly an important one, and then if they have the opportunity to do any blueprint reading, obviously everything we work off of here is blueprints, so if they have that opportunity, that would certainly be a leg up for them when they come into the shop.
We enjoy the Youth Apprentice program. It not only helps build that bridge between our high schools and our community with Kingsbury, but the other part of it too, it gives an opportunity for us to give something back and gives our people an opportunity to mentor and develop others. And that's probably one of the best things about the Youth Apprentice program, is the opportunity to take somebody and help shape them and guide them.
Give it a shot. You never know where it's going to take you. I never knew that the day my dad asked me if I wanted to work at Kingsbury that I would pursue it as a lifelong career. So I guess it opens doors for you that you never thought were there.
We absolutely do have the opportunity for our youth apprentices to continue their learning and their career possibilities with Kingsbury after the youth apprenticeship. We currently have two former youth apprentices that are both in the machine tool program with us and are continuing their studies up at Fox Valley Tech and working here full-time to get experience in the field here, and there are also other opportunities within the organization, whether that be on the quality side, the maintenance side, the programming and processing side. So there's lots of other opportunities for them other than the machining part of it as well.
After I completed the youth apprenticeship program, I was still working here, still am working here, and then I just enrolled into the machine tool program up at Fox Valley Tech in Appleton, and we'll be doing that for the next 2 years, and that is all being paid for by Kingsbury Incorporated. I will move on to the state apprenticeship program and then continue school from there.
A career decision is one of the biggest decisions you're going to make in your life, and the youth apprentices offer that opportunity to gain some real-world hands-on experience and give the individual an opportunity to decide, is this what they want to invest their time and their education in? And so it really helps them grow and develop and have probably a better path to head down.